my phonics superheroes and my reading superstars. Welcome to day 14 of my Phonics Boost. Well done on all your hard work so far. We've got some new words to be reading today and I can't wait to get stuck in. So let's turn our phonics brains on, our superhero listening ears turned on, and let's get started. Right, let's go over our focus sounds. I'm not going to say them today. We've been doing them for a while, so just you. Excellent. Do you think you can do it faster? Do you think you can go even faster? You ready? Oh, that was very fast. Well done. Right, let's go over these sounds nice and fast. Do you think you can do it quicker? Let's see. Amazing. What about if I put them all together? Can you remember all these sounds? Amazing. Well done. Now let's go over these ones really quickly. Amazing. Well done. Now the sound that we are going to be focusing on today is the B sound. Now the B sound is a short sound. B, B, B. Let's practice. B, B, B. Excellent. Now we've practiced saying the B sound. Let's find some objects that start with the B sound. So my phonics superstars, inside my magic box, I've got some objects that start with the B sound and some that don't. And I need you to help me sort them out. Are you ready? Empty again. I think we need our magic spell. Can you remember what it is? We say hocus pocus phonics focus. Now I want to hear you joining in with me. Hocus pocus phonics focus. See if it worked. Yes! Right. Are you ready? Banana. Yes. Elf? No. Bear? Yes. Egg? No. Butterfly? Yes. Right, now you've helped me sort them out, I'm going to put them back in and this time we're going to go a lot faster. Do you think you can do that? Are you ready? Oh, well done. That was super speedy. Now we're going to be practicing our listening skills and doing some oral blending. Right, make sure you've got your superhero listening ears turned on. And with our oral blending, I sound out the word and I want to hear you say it. Are we ready? B-a-t. Bat. B-a-n. Bun. B-I-g. Big. Excellent. Now we've practiced that oral blending, we're going to have a go at reading some words. Right, my reading superstars, let's practice our reading. Now with our new B words, I'll sound them out first, then it's your turn. B-a-t. Bat. Your turn. Bat. Oh. Bun. Your turn. Bun. B-I-G. Big. Your turn. Big. Excellent. Now we've done them once, just you. Bat. Bun. Big. Excellent. Now are you feeling up to a challenge with our challenge word today? And our challenge word is blend. Now blend is where you put things together to make one thing. And we often talk about blending in phonics, don't we? We put the sounds together to make the word. B-O-N-D. Blend. Your turn. Blend. Your turn again. Blend. Well done. Now we're going to rewind and look at some words that we've been doing before. Now we've already done these ones, so I'm not going to sound them out first. Just you. Leg. Pet. Excellent. Now this word we've done a couple of times, so I'm going to see if you can just read it straight away. Kit. Well done. Now let's sound it out. Kit. Excellent. Moving on to our tricky words. And our new tricky word today is be. 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 Excellent. Now can you remember our tricky words from the last couple of days? My. All. Me. Right, so I'm going to go through them once and we'll do them together. My. All. Me. Excellent. Right, we're going to put it together with our new one. Can we remember it? Be. Right. Be. My. All. Me. I think you can do them again. Are you ready? Be. My. All. Me. Excellent. You did really well with your reading there. Right, my phonics superheroes and my reading superstars, we're nearly at the end of day 14. Amazing. But before we go, we're going to go over our focus sounds and play our little game. Now, I think you know these sounds now, so I'm not going to say them today, just you. Do you think you can do it faster? Ooh, very quick. Do you think you can do it even faster? Let's try one more time. Ooh, that was super speedy. Now we're going to play our little game. I'm going to take a sound away and I want you to tell me what it is. Are you ready? Which one was missing? B. Excellent. Now let's see which one's going to be missing this time. Are you ready? Ooh. Which one was missing? Ah, excellent. Right, and this time let's get rid. Make sure you're paying attention, see which one. Which one's missing? Excellent. Well done. You've done it. Day 14 is finished. Amazing. Well done for coming this far. I hope you're feeling proud. I'm feeling very proud of you. Let's give yourselves a great big pat on the back. 1, 2, 3. Well done me. And I can't wait to see you for day 15. Goodbye.